Welcome to Activity 54, A Little Harder. In this activity, we will be developing the strategy of bridging 10 for subtraction, using adding on, for wholes of up to 30. To complete this activity, you will need 2 of each bond block from 1 to 9 and 1 linear 10. If you have original boards, please place them inside a right and white sleeve. Player 1 goes first, and they spin 22 subtract 17. First they represent the whole of 22. They then represent the known part of 17. Starting at the 10, 17. We then add on the part that is the answer in 2 blocks. 1 block to bridge 10 to 20, and 1 more to make the length of the parts equal to the whole. I say the equation. 22 subtract 17 equals 5. I record it. 22 subtract 17 equals 5. Player 2 has their turn, and they spin 23 subtract 15. First they build the whole of 23. 23. They then represent the part that they know of 15. We add on the part that will be the answer in 2 blocks. 1 block to bridge 10 to 20, and 1 more block to make the parts equal to the whole. If I'm unsure that this is 8, I could place a block on top to check. I say my equation. 23 subtract 15 equals 8. And I record this. 23 subtract 15 equals 8. For this round, player 1 is the winner because they have made the smallest or least answer to the subtraction. Now it's your turn.